What's up everyone, Scarlett here. Real quick, I am going to show you guys two wrench sets, and hold on a second. Alright, so first wrench set is the gear wrench set, and this set, I forgot how much it is, but it is on the pricey side. I got this from Snap-on, but this set comes in a set of, let's see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 wrenches, and they are long wrenches, and they are from sizes 8 all the way 8, let's see, 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 21 22 and 25. Alright, so that's that gear wrench set, and I don't remember if I said where I got it from, but I got this from Snap-on. I'll figure out the price, I'll put it down in the video. Alright, and then the other set that I'm going to talk about is this other long wrench set. It is from Duratech. This one I got through Amazon. It is a whole lot cheaper than that set over there. And this one comes in a set of 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 wrenches, and it ranges from 8 10 12 13 14 16 17 19 and 22. As you can tell that this set only has a few of the wrenches and it's missing some. Let's see, which ones is it missing? 8 10, missing 11 12 13 14, it's missing 15 16 17, it's missing 18. So that's the only downside of this set, but they are longer than the gear wrench set. I'll show you in a second. Let's see. Okay, so alright, it's just a tiny bit longer, but they work just as well as the gear wrench set, but the only difference is the price. And again, I will put down the price ranges in the video. But yeah, whether you want to go expensive or on the cheap side, but you got to keep in mind some sizes are missing, but it is still a good set. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. I was just letting you guys know the difference between a high price and a low price, which are two different sets. You know, you guys can choose whatever you guys want to buy, but if you're on the cheap side, go ahead and get that set. Alright guys, I'll see you guys next time on the next video. Thanks for watching, guys.